I'm John Fowler. As a director-cinematographer, I've shot lots of commercials, and the bane of our existence has very often been standard definition video assist. As good as it got, we still very often would have to explain to the director, the producer, the art director, the agency, the clients, that the image they were looking at on the monitor really would look much better in dailies. You're watching me on standard definition video assist, NTSC or PAL, low resolution, limited latitude, and you can see the ground glass grain. At this point, an agency art director would invariably come up and ask us why the shot is looking so dark and grainy. And at that point, we'd secretly be hoping a helpful crew person would accidentally kick out the cable. Now there's a new generation of high-definition video assist for ARRI cams and Arriflex 435 cameras. It's called the ARRI HD-IVS, and it changes everything we've said. The colors are true, the exposure latitude is wider, and it eliminates the ground glass texture. Here to tell us more about it is ARRI Inc. Service Manager George Schmidt.
These are the Arriflex HD-IVSs. To my far right is the Arriflex HD-IVS for the light camera. To my right here is the HD-IVS for the studio camera, and to my left is the HD-IVS for the 435 camera. All three units share the same features. They all are 1920 by 1080 resolution. They all have a anamorphic de-squeezing feature. They are capable of going 16 by 9 or 4:3 format. They all have ground glass cancellation, which is probably the most interesting feature of all three units. The ground glass cancellation feature allows the camera to eliminate the grain structure in the ground glass. How this works is that the camera actually takes a frame grab of the ground glass, memorizes the structure of the ground glass, and then electronically eliminates the grain to give you a clean video signal out. The image is so clean that if you use the ground glass in the camera without crosshairs, you could actually use the images for video dailies. To give us some more information on the Arriflex HD-IVSs, here's Gus from ARRI CSC.
With the ARRI HD-IVS, it's important to realize that you have to have a full HD playback system as well. Your VTR crew has to be fully equipped for HD. This allows you to walk away from your set with confidence at the end of the day. Because you can judge fine detail, you can judge the focus, you know you got the take. There are three HD SDI outputs on the IVS. One is clean, one has information, and the other can be configured to be clean or with information. And there is a USB port for frame grabs. So you can send this to your colorist or send it to your script supervisor. So it's a great communication tool.